February the 28th, 2026. 1 o'clock in the afternoon, 68 degrees. That road is closed. I wish we could check that road out there. We are on the north side of I-85, just north of, and just, just sort of northeast of US 129, the Jefferson exit on 85. It's a gorgeous late winter afternoon. It started off sort of overcast, and now it's gotten bright and sunny. And we have video of this a while back, but we're updating. This way we get before, during, and after construction on all this stuff. This area, like all of Georgia, is just blowing up. Got a big cleared space. Well, this is a finished road. If it's not blocked, we'll do it, because we have not cut through here. Last time we were here, this was not cut through. They were working on it. I say industrial, commercial. I suspect data centers, warehouses, logistics centers. We may get out and do a little walk. Use the Insta360 X5. All of this land that has been cleared the last 5 years, and over the next 10 years, the next 15 years. Most people don't think about this, but I thought about it last year, year before last, when all the cicadas, or what I call July flies, came out. They only come out, what, a couple of different species, maybe 14 years, every 16 years. Well, just think of all this land that has been cleared now and scrubbed, and those, larvae and worm, whatever they are, stay underground for all that time. Well, they're not going to be there this time. All this land has been scraped. They've been killed. They're dead. They're gone. All of the cicadas that will never come back out. They're gone forever. Pavement ends. We must be hitting this little dirt stretch. This looks like where that other road may have been coming out up through here. Pavement ends. Let's see where this cuts through. Little mobile home up there on the left. Maybe a sort of a, not dilapidated, but a place sort of falling into disrepair there on the left. I guess it was a residence. Got a HVAC hanging out of the window. Clearing all that land there to the right. A lot of kudzu hanging. It'll be greening up here shortly. There's some mistletoe, a sprig of mistletoe in that tree there. All of that out there to the right has been cleared. They've been in the process of 6-laning, 3-laning each side, 85, almost all the way to South Carolina, if not all the way to South Carolina. Coming out of Savannah on I-16. A nice house there. All the development coming out of Savannah. going up 75, the 75 corridor, up past Rome, out Adairsville, all up through there. There's been massive development. A lot of housing now. The developers are buying the land, developing the land, building the houses, and then leasing the houses. They're not even selling the houses. The report I've seen indicates that 3 major investment companies are working to have 60% ownership of all residential property by the 2030. I don't know how it's coming along or how it has come along. There was legislation in the Georgia House, or the legislature, limiting the percentage of rental property allowed in Georgia by the large corporations. Be interesting to have a follow-up, see how that came out. 20.72 acres. Georgia is for sale, folks. What hasn't sold already? Well, so I-85 is to our right within sight. We can see it right over there. Folger gas, propane. These people that had these little small mobile homes and trailers all through here have been sitting on a gold mine now. Interstate truck and equipment sales. Dry Pond Road is this next exit up here. There was a slab back there of something going in. Love's is 6 miles ahead. RV stop, the Love's. We saw a new Love's down off of 75 when we were headed down to Florida. That had, when they built it, they had designated, I think, about 5 RV spots with hookups. Now that in the older Love's, they're taking about 3 or 4 of the longer parking spaces and making them, putting at least 3 RV stops in them. No dump station, but water and electric. So I wonder Buc-ee's hadn't done some of that. This video is how long? About 9 minutes long. The shale is now open. It doesn't do a whole lot of business yet, but it is positioned in the right location. It's going to do a lot of business. Logistics Center Parkway. Home Goods, Home Sense. There you go. Get on down the road. All of these trucks. Jackson 05 Distribution Center. I hadn't seen all this stuff. Let's go ahead and wrap this one up. This will we'll cut this one off. This will be a wrap. We'll go ahead and put it together and have it be getting it uploaded, and find something else to video.